Someone asked me how to create share folder in PC. How can you create share folder on your computer? Very easy. Go to your PC and go to one folder. Just right click and go to new and click here for the folder and name here 00. I'm going to share this folder. Just right click and go to properties, click sharing option, click share, and here you have to choose everyone and add. Now here you have to give read and write access and click share and click this and done. And what is your IP? Just confirm that cmd and IP config, and this is my IP. And press R /192.168.100.118. OK, and now this is my save folder. Just right click and map network drive. Yes, now you can go to the other computer which is connected with the same network and just right click and tap this IP and press R, then click OK and right click and map network drive. Hence you can share folder to other computer also, right? I think this video help you to share and to create share folder. Okay friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to stay, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for the watching.